Hey, how's it going? I'm Joey. Just wanted to take a little bit of time to actually go ahead and give a thank you to Dan, because as someone who uses ClickFunnels a lot and does a lot of stuff within marketing and the back end of all that, I usually feel like I can figure out most stuff on my own. But I've had some times here and there where like I just couldn't figure it out. I wasted like 4 or 5 hours at a time trying to YouTube something and I couldn't figure it out. And I just posted something in the ClickFunnels group once, and he actually like answered a little bit, and so then I messaged him like trying to ask him more, and I didn't really expect him to answer because like I had seen his stuff like with Steve Larson and affiliate outrage, so I was like, this guy is like way too like high level to even help or even respond to me, and then immediately he's like answering me, and immediately as soon as I asked him a question, like there's a video already in my inbox showing me exactly how to do all the coding, how to do everything that I needed. Didn't even ask for anything. He just like went out of his way to help me, and he's actually helped me on quite a few things. So I just wanted to thank you because like everything that Dan does, like if you ever need anything with membership areas and anything with ClickFunnels, like if it can be done, Dan knows how to do it. And if it doesn't know how to be done, he's going to figure it out. Like he's the man when it comes to membership areas and all this stuff. So yeah, just wanted to take the time to thank you, and I appreciate everything you do, Dan.